Hey you sexy bitches, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Hi if you're new, my name is Brenda and today we are going to be reviewing the PUR X RawBeautyKristi eyelashes. So, like I said, I got these eyelashes when I purchased the palette. So the eyelashes retail for $14. They are cruelty free, they are synthetic, and they are vegan friendly. I love the packaging. I think it's so beautiful. So I got both of the pairs. I got the lovely and I got the can't be bothered. I am wearing the lovely and I have tried the can't be bothered. They are just more wispy, more flared out, but as you guys can see, these are like curled and voluptuous. Kristi said that these are more natural, which is the lovelies, which I am wearing. I disagree. Like, bitch, no they're not. I still think they are very voluptuous, sexy, a little slutty, a little hoey, and a little glamorous. And I don't think they're natural because when I wear them, I know I'm wearing them. Like when I'm wearing the House of Lashes, I think it's the rose quartz ones. Those look pretty natural. These is like boom. And I love the curl. Like these are curled and you can even see it in the when they're on the packaging. Like they are curled and I just love that. And then these are more dramatic. She says they're more dramatic. Actually, I think it's like vice versa. I think these are more natural. So, okay, this is how I'll put it. These are my glamorous ones. Like, yes, a little soft, a little delicate. And these are like, bitch, the fuck, I'm a cow. You just put on a little crop top and you do your hair in like a nice long sleek pony. That's the vibe I get with these. When I got them, they are a very thin band, which I am so happy to say. They are a very thin band. They kind of feel, if you've ever tried the Ardell, any of their lashes, but I think specifically the Wispies, it feels like that sort of band. It's like very flexible. It's not too stiff. It's just right. The lovelies are a little bit of an invisible band, and the can't be bothered is more, I would still say it's like an invisible band. But these are very lightweight and I really do like them. One thing I forgot to mention was that these do not poke, which I love. They are very easy to put on and I didn't have to cut a lot. So I only like cut one strip and that was perfect. I know they're limited edition and if you got your hands on them, you got your hands on them. I'm just saying these should not be a limited edition because these are beautiful. And I've never tried anything pure like palettes, eyelashes, nothing. So this was my first time purchasing from any of their products and I really did like their eyelashes. I think their eyelashes are phenomenal. Like I really don't feel them on my eyes and I just think they look beautiful as well. They supposedly last up to 30 uses, which I'm sure I can make them last 30 uses. So I think in regards to eyelashes, I will be purchasing more from them because I do like everything about them and they're pretty affordable. I was just on their website and they're all like $14. They only have one pair, but I do like that pair, I'm not gonna lie. So I think I am just gonna go ahead and whenever they come out with new lashes, I will go ahead and purchase them. So I definitely recommend these. I will give these 5 days ahead. They were totally worth the money, and if you did the restock with them and you're probably gonna get them like in August or whenever they said, I think you will be so happy with these because they are beautiful, they are lightweight, they are voluptuous. Like what else can I say? Like they are a beautiful pair of lashes. I hope that they're like,
hey, let's bring them back because people seem to really like them.
I'm surprised no one's talking that much about the lashes. I just can't say enough about these. I highly recommend these if you're able to get them. So yeah, I definitely recommend PUR eyelashes. I will be purchasing more and see how I like those. But for the Raw Beauty PUR lashes, I give them 5 days ahead. So I'm very happy with them. that is all I have for you guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe so our community keeps on growing, and if you're new, consider subscribing so you can become one of our family. As always, comment down below any questions, comments, concerns, or how I can make these videos better. Follow me on Instagram, and just remember to have yourselves a great rest of your day. Bye!